how I get pre-sold clients from both inbound and outbound while spending only 1 to 2 hours per week. So let's dive straight into it. Here is some proof so you know why I'm even qualified to tell you about all of this. This is my revenue from Stripe, and this is 10 calls booked from one of my clients that I worked with just in one day, and going back to the whole point of this video. So this is all about the middle of the funnel that I use in my agency, which is Gawronify, and this is this part to nurture the clients on autopilot and get them pre-sold even before they're on the sales call. So here's my YouTube, and there is one prospect. The prospect before don't know who I am, what I'm doing, what I'm selling, what's my offer, so on and so forth. And he might have some problems and objections. So the first problem that he might have is that, oh my god, my market is saturated. I struggle with getting clients. Then what he does? Then he comes to YouTube and search for solution for his problem. And he find out that I have made a video about market sophistication, about saturation niche, how to get clients saturation niche, and he watched the video. So he goes straight into it. And the video is working as a salesperson for me 24/7. He can watch the video anytime he wants during the day, and I don't have to do anything after I upload the video. When he is watching the video about solving his issue, it's like he would actually be on a sales call with me, because I'm just handling his objection, his problem, showing him how to solve that. The same thing that I would do on the sales call, and there are more people that have the same problem, the same issue, the same objections, and guess what? They all can come to one of my videos and just get the informations, what they want, how to fix that, and just see that there's a solution for that. That's an infinite leverage, because I only have to spend 1 to 2 hours per week recording and uploading the content, and that's basically all that it takes. Then one of them might have an objections. Do I really have to have a personal brand to make all of this work? Then he liked the first video that he watched, he decided to subscribe, and he just go through my past content. What he see? A video how to monetize a personal brand. He came through all the video, he get all the information that he needs from that, and boom, objection solved. He don't have that objections anymore. The other guy might come after this video to a question like, I have seen that nowadays the agencies and coaches, consultants, so on and so forth in the online space aren't really working. I haven't seen results for like past two weeks, 2 months. I tried to scale, but it didn't work for me. It's all fucked up. I'm done. Then he catch thumbnail that SMMA is over. What he does? He watched the video. Then he realized that there is a solution for his problem, and he started to be in love with my company, myself, and just simply because I'm providing the solution to the problems and giving them the knowledge for free. It's like the key to getting clients nowadays is to give stuff for free, but do it in a smart way. So just give the knowledge for free, and for them to have the implementation for expert, they have to then become your clients. So at that stage, he might be ready to convert it to my customer, but if he don't have the money right now, then he just watch the content, next content. He might have another objections like, how will it book sales call for me? How will it work? He comes to a video, how I book 10 calls in one day. And then he knows answer to all of the objections that he have, and he end up with having 0 objections. And that's the beautiful part of whole of this funnel. Let me go back to it. So the people are already pre-sold. You don't have any objections. It's just straight call, taking like 5-15 minutes to close the deals. I have that one inbound call yesterday. I managed to close it, and I usually hate sales calls. I feel uncomfortable on them. But the calls that I have from inbound, from people that have checked my YouTube videos, my other videos on like Instagram, for example, they're already pre-sold. They know that I can solve the problem. And it's just like talking to your friend, having a good vibe on the call, and closing is also a piece of cake, really easy, without any objections that you solve them on the YouTube videos. And if still you will receive an objection on the sales call, what do? You make a video about that objection, so you eliminate possibility of having that in the future. I hope that it helped, and if you're a coach, consultant, or agency owner and you're looking up to add extra 20k in the next 90 days guaranteed, then just click the first link down in the description and book a free discovery call with me. So that was all for this video. Take care everyone, see you in the next one.